I'm singing Come Rain or Come Shine. I'm not really changing it up much. I'm just going to put a bluesy feel to it.
Danny is this close. I was watching him so intensely, it may have put him off a little bit. You wanted to do this, but you looking at me like, man, that's this dude, and I'm looking right at you. So I know how that is. You know, Michael Mann, who's a director, he would be this. No, relax.
You know, we all have our own little comfort zones. I mean, he was that. Whoosh.
And that moment when I got right on Danny, like right in his grill, is when he was the purest and the truest.
Just sing a note, anything.
I wanna love you like nobody
keep going.
You.
That's what I'm saying. See? Now I'm all up in your grill. It didn't make a difference. It's fresh. Your breath is fresh.
If he channels and embodies that, then that's what's gonna make him fantastic. Go get it, D.
I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you. Come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river. Come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true. Yeah.